3 psychological truths to know before giving someone a second chance. Sometimes life whispers a truth we don't always want to hear. Stepping back from people is the only way to see where we truly stand in their lives. When we pull away, it's not about walking out. It's about finding clarity. If they care, they'll notice. If they don't, their silence tells you everything. But here's the thing, your mistakes? They're not weights to carry around. They're stepping stones. Lay them down beneath your feet and let them elevate you to new heights. Life's most challenging moments have a way of peeling back the layers, revealing the true colors of those who claim to care for us. Now imagine this, a world where we stop pretending. What if, instead of hiding our pain, anger, or imperfections, we wore them like badges of courage? What if we embraced the raw, unfiltered truth of who we are? That kind of honesty, it has the power to transform everything. But let's be real, sometimes giving up feels like the only option. And that's okay. You can't beg someone to treat you with the love and respect you so freely give. Relationships aren't built on pleading. They're built on mutual effort and respect. Here's a thought to hold on to. Someday, all the love you've poured into the world will come back to you. And this time it will stay. The universe has a way of balancing the scales, even if it takes longer than we'd like. Heartbreak, though, it's never loud, it's in the quiet. It's in the silence that lingers between two people who once shared everything. The most painful goodbyes are often the ones that are left unsaid, the ones that leave us wondering, what if? You're not here to save everyone. You're not responsible for their happiness or their moods. Sometimes the best thing you can do, for them and for yourself, is to step back. Give them space to realize what life feels like without you. Silence speaks volumes. And forgiveness? It's powerful, yes, but it doesn't mean reopening old doors. Sometimes, the most loving thing you can do is forgive them, and then walk away. Apology accepted, but access denied. Know your worth. Know your place in someone's life, and don't settle for less than you deserve. Expecting too much from the wrong person only leads to heartache. And while life doesn't offer us a rewind button, it does gift us a new page every single day. So don't waste it looking back. Here's a truth for the heart. A woman can't change a man because she loves him. A man changes because he loves her. The same goes for you. Trust yourself. Build a version of you that you're proud to live with every single day. Those tiny sparks of potential within you? Fan them, feed them, turn them into a fire that lights up your world. And if you're wondering whether to give someone another chance, consider this. 1. If they broke your trust instead of protecting it, don't. 2. If they constantly blamed you for every problem, playing the victim, don't. 3. If they need to lose you or cheat to realize your worth, don't. Some bridges are meant to burn. Relationships aren't where we go to find happiness. They're where we go to share it. Trust is everything. Once it's broken, sorry becomes just another word. When someone truly values you, they won't make excuses. They'll show you with their actions. They're yours. So take a deep breath. Your dreams, they don't have an expiration date. You don't need a new sunrise to start over. You only need a new mindset. If this spoke to you, take it with you. Share it with someone who might need to hear it today. And remember, you're worth every ounce of love, respect, and happiness the world has to offer. Subscribe to my channel